Mike. Hey, Mike. Jorge. Jorge, I can't believe it. How are you? How long? Fine, thanks. And you? I haven't seen you since we finished the university. For 2 years. Yes, already 2 years. All of the colleagues must meet more often. In those 2 years I only have seen Manera and Sari in the cinema. But I didn't meet anybody of our faculty since we finished. Well, I sometimes meet Maria, but I only see her. Maria? Was she the blonde girl who always got the best marks, isn't she? Yes, she is. We were working in the same company during our practice year. Oh, you were lucky. I have to go to Madrid, but fortunately I got a job here in Vigo. Yes, and where are you working? Currently I'm working in Citroën, like one of main engineer's assistants. Wow, I am working in a solar panels company, helping a more experienced engineer too. Nice. See, we can sit down on that terrace and drink something cold. It's hot today. Yes, let's go. I really need that coke, I was thirsty. I too, what's new in your life? Well, I have just arrived from Manchester and I have visited my parents and I've met my girlfriend, them too. Oh, so you have a girlfriend? Yes, she's called Rosa, she's from Santiago, and we are going to get married in May of next year. Oh, congratulations, I wish best for you. Thanks, and you? Have you got a girlfriend? Unfortunately no. I had one, but we broke up 2 months ago. Oh, sorry. No, she lose it. Listen, you have to give me your mobile phone to meet another day. Yes, right. 654-321-987. Well, now I'll make you a missed call. Okay, when you do that, I'll put in mobile telephone list. Well, now I have to go. It was a pleasure to see you again. I hope that we could meet again. Yes, we can wait another 2 years. Yes, but at least I have your phone number, so I'll call you. Okay, now it's late for me. Goodbye. Bye.